mga bebe queen, this is April. Hi mga bebe queens, bebe queens, bebe queens.
Hi mga Bebe Queens! For today's video ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-batch engrave gamit ang Deja A7 Mini Pro. Ang mga consumables na gagamitin natin for this video ay itong mga bamboo pens at itong wooden keychain made of beech wood. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa description box kung saan po makakabili ng mga consumables na ginamit natin for this video. For batch engraving po, mas maigi po na gumamit kayo ng laser engraving jigs for bamboo pen and keychain para po mas stable yung ating mga materials na i-engrave. Pero kung wala po talaga, pwede naman po mag-proceed kahit walang jigs. And proceed na po tayo sa ating layout. Ang gamit ko po dito ay DJ app, ang laser engraving app for Deja A7 Mini Pro. So for the layout po ay mag-add lang po tayo ng text and then pipili po tayo ng iba't ibang klase ng font styles. And to adjust po, back and forth lang po tayo sa size and edit page para ma-check kung tatama po yung ating layout sa ating material ay i-click lamang po natin yung outline and then kung hindi po siya tumama, balik lang po tayo dun sa edit page and then i-move lang po natin yung ating text. And then same technique lang din po siya dun sa iba pang pen. Yan, input nyo muna yung text and then if gusto nyo po ng solid font, i-click nyo lang po yung solid and then pili po kayo ng font style para sa inyong pen. So medyo matrabaho po siya pag sa mobile app tayo nag-batch engrave. Other shortcut po for batch engraving is gamit ang inyong computer or laptop. Using Lightburn software po, pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong bamboo pen jig or keychain jig. And then save nyo lang po yung file na yon para sa future na pag-engrave ninyo ay layout na lang po yung idadagdag ninyo. And don't forget po to turn off yung cutting settings sa jig file ninyo para ang ma-engrave na lang po ay yung mga layout. Hindi na po siya magka-cut ulit since nakagawa na po kayo ng jigs for your pens and keychains. In my case po kasi kahit medyo mahirap siya i-adjust dito sa mobile app, mas preferred ko siyang gamitin kasi yung mga apps na ginagamit ko for editing photos ay naka-install din dito sa phone. Kaya lahat ng files ko ay nakalagay dito sa phone. Kaya mas convenient siya para sa akin. Pero kung gagamit po kayo ng mobile phone, sa una lang po talaga siya mahirap i-adjust. Magagamay nyo rin siya kalaunan. So practice makes perfect po talaga. Kahit gaano kahirap, wag nyo po susukuan. Kasi at the end, pag nakita nyo na po yung output na gusto nyong makita, very satisfying talaga yung feeling niya. And for our bamboo pen, ang settings po nito ay power 100, speed 70, at ang repetition number ay 1.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Ito na po ang ating output for batch engraving sa bamboo pens. If gusto nyo po ng mas darker na output, I would suggest na babaan nyo po yung speed, then maximize po yung power. Pwede din naman, doblehin nyo po yung passes. And kung gusto nyo po makapalang output ng text, I would suggest na pumili po kayo ng makakapal or mga bold font styles. Also, I want to share these settings po. Galing po ito sa Deja. Listahan po ito ng laser engraving settings for different materials gamit ang Deja A7 Mini Pro. Ang mga settings po na nandito ay tried and tested na po ng Deja, and some of the settings po ay sinusundan ko din. If you don't have time po mag-experiment ng settings, you can just refer to this photo po. I-screenshot nyo na lang. At next naman po na ating ibabatch engrave ay itong mga wooden keychain made of peach wood. Ang photo po na ginamit ko sa video na ito ay AI generated gamit ang ChatGPT. For editing naman po, ang gamit ko pong app ay PicsArt app. Unfortunately, hindi po nila inaalaw ang screen recording while editing. But if you have PicsArt app installed sa phone nyo, you may try uploading any pic. And then sa effects po, i-click nyo lang yung BNW or black and white. Scroll nyo lang po sa bandang dulo, piliin nyo lang po yung BNW vintage. After that, i-remove nyo lang po yung background. And then save nyo lang po. All set na po yan para ma-upload dito sa DJ app. Pagdating naman dito sa DJ app, binabago ko naman yung contrast to 133% and ang brightness ay -3. For parameter settings, power 100 at speed 70.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
At ito na po ang resulta ng ating batch engrave para sa ating mga wooden keychain. Sa photo engraving po, mas maganda po kung high quality photos po yung gagamitin ninyo. And with proper image enhancement or photo editing, mapapalabas nyo po yung details ng photo na yan kahit po 5 watts lang po ang ating laser power. And as for the materials po, katulad nitong keychain, kung may chance po kayo makapili ng walang masyadong wooden pattern, ay piliin nyo po yung kaunti lang or mas maigi yung walang wood marks, if possible po. At ganyan lang po kadali mag-batch engrave sa Deja A7 Mini Pro gamit ang mobile app na DJ Laser. If you have questions po ay comment nyo lang po sa baba. As long as kaya kong sagutin, re-replyan ko po yung mga comments ninyo. And before we end this video po, gusto ko lang sana i-share yung isa pang challenge na na-experience ko sa machine na ito. For the entire month na gamit ko siya ay naka-experience po ako na nag-i-stop siya habang nag-engrave kahit hindi naman nakatilt yung machine or hindi rin naman naka-open yung enclosure. Dito sa dahon yung pinakauna kong na-experience na nag-i-stop siya while engraving. I thought it was a Bluetooth problem pero hindi naman. Second time ay itong February na ulit while nag-engrave dito sa wooden sheet. Itong nasa baba, ayan, nag-stop siya. And then yung pangatlong beses naman ay dito sa wooden keychain. Nag-troubleshoot ako. I have checked the power cords and connections. All good naman lahat. And dito ko na na-observe na nag-i-stop yung machine kapag naka-high settings yung app. Kasi pag naka-medium settings, okay naman tuloy-tuloy. Pero pag pinapalitan ko sa high settings, dun ako nakaka-experience experience na nag-i-stop yung machine. And also, kapag medyo matagal ko na ginagamit yung machine, ay pinapahinga ko na rin talaga siya. So, ino-off ko muna. After 30 minutes to an hour, saka ko na siya ulit gagamitan. And that's it for today's video mga Bebe Queens. Hopefully may na-share akong tips and ideas when it comes to laser engraving for newbies and hobbyists like me. Ang maswerteng winner ng Deja A7 Mini Pro will be announced on February 28. So abang-abang lang po sa ating Facebook page and dito din sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching mga Bebe Queens. Again, this is A Queen and have a great day!